So if you have a stuck filament in this part, what you're gonna have to do is remove it. There are 4 screws. There's one there, there, and there. As soon as you get that off, remove this. From there, flip it over. You're going to have to peel this piece off. This is the next fun part. There is a piece of filament stuck right in there. So from here, the screw is going to have to be backed out, and you're going to take it out all the way. From there, we're going to get that spring removed. Oh, don't lose the spring. And you can kind of see where mine is right there. The next fun part is now trying to get this gear gone. It's always fun trying to get it out, and it's going to be always a little bit of a struggle. There's one little bit. Oh, there we go. I forgot to get that part out. There we go. And there's my problem. It is now out. So from there, this is going to go down, sit like that. You can see that there's a little place for it to sit in. And this piece goes right up in there. That piece with the spring goes right there. From there we can tighten this back in. Remember the bearing and remember this piece. Push it all back on. There we go. Before I put it back in, I do tighten the screw down quite a bit. And then from there, I just grab a filament. And then I hold it. If I can push it through, that means I need to tighten it down some more. You can see the gear move, hold the gear. Not coming out, not going in. To me, that's perfect. From there, you're gonna have the fun of sliding it back in, getting the wires back in. Then you're gonna get the 4 screws back in, tighten it down, connect the connection, put the cube in back in. You should be up and running. Hope that helps anyone.